conversation that will lead to a contention. You need to know you are a moon of jealousy. Tell me why you love to keep a pretty lady. Then you send her to work at a public place where she attracts a lots of face. So when you see a man like me, you just come around so jumpy. Every time you're talking down in country, like you want to stop my ability. And I know you can do like me. I know you can do like me. Because I don't got no time, neither no patience to store in my heart no hypocrisy. And your life and doing is not like for me, so stay away from me. Control your jealousy. Alright, man of jealousy. Alright, man of jealousy. You know you are a jealous man. You should never want to keep a pretty woman and come around with a long conversation that will lead to a contention. And if you know you are a man of jealousy, you should never want to keep a pretty lady. And you send her to work up the public place where she attract a lots of praise. Seeing a man like me, you just come around so jumpy. And when you talk, you sound contrary, like you want to stop my ability. I know you can do like me. I know you can do like me. Because I don't got no time, neither no patience to store in my heart no hypocrisy. And your life and doing is not like for me, so control your jealousy. I've got to deal with the Almighty. Alright, dealing with the Almighty. No, I don't deal with no partiality. Control your jealousy. I know to control my jealousy. You can do like me, and I don't deal with no partiality.